Hello everyone and welcome back. In this episode I will show you how to create your Terraform script for BTP. So finally we will open the main.tf file. In this script I've created 2 directories and 5 subaccounts according to the naming conventions and the landscape we explained in an earlier session. So the first 2 sections are about the directory. We define a resource. A resource is what needs to be created in BTP, and we say BTP directory. It's, of course, as it says, a BTP directory, and we provided a unique identifier. This is dir ADM, which will be used later on for creating the subaccounts. Every directory we give it a name and a description. As you can see in the name, we already use our naming convention. One for the first one, administration, and then followed by an acronym between brackets. Same for the directory for application. So we have one for administration and one for application. After that, we will create the subaccounts. Again, the resource is BTP subaccount. And again, a unique identifier. We again give it a name using our naming conventions, 1.1 because it's in the first directory, the acronym of the first directory, followed by the environment, which is development. Subdomain, same, but with dashes and without a number. The region, my trial account is on the US 10, so I take region US 10. I can enable beta features, the usage not for production, and then the parent ID. And this is where it becomes interesting, because here we make the connection to the directory. We say BTP directory, and there are 2 directories, so which one? Dir ADM, so the administration one, and then the ID. If you need more information about the resource and what you can use, like the ID and so on, you can find this in the Terraform provider documentation on the Terraform website. The same we do for our second administration subaccount, but then with PRD. And we do also the same for our application subaccounts. Although now we have development, acceptance, and production, and they are connected not to the administration directory, but to the application directory. You see here, now we use dir app, which is this one. So voila, this is the script, creating 2 directories, 5 subaccounts, 2 in the first directory and 3 in the second directory.